Happy National Poetry Month. Today we are on the 6th of the 8 limbs of yoga in yoga philosophy. And the 6th limb of yoga is Dharana, which is concentration. All right. We all have admiration for those who can keep their concentration. Yes, it seems so easy, casual and breezy. Just focus the mind, they say. All your attention you must pay. But the mind is busy, enough thoughts to make one dizzy. Find an anchor, a spot, the breath, an image, a dot, a sound, a candle. We'll get a handle on the thoughts bubbling up, ready to disrupt, but Dharana reels them in so meditation can begin. Thank you.